For such a large university, I didn't think I would find my place in UVM, but my program has definitely allowed me to find my place with my people and to do the things that I want to do.
I wouldn't even say that I chose UVM. I would say UVM chose me.
I chose UVM because it has all the perks of a bigger university, but it's still small enough to have that community feel. The thing that surprised me most about UVM was how close-knit it was.
It's gorgeous up here. I love to hike, and there's plenty of places to do that. And there's great snowboarding, and I love the atmosphere here.
As a first-year student, I was nervous and anxious. I didn't know what to expect. I'm different compared to 4 years ago in the fact that I'm more confident and I think more comfortable in my surroundings.
I feel like I've figured out the balance between school, social life, and sleep. You can only pick two.
I was pretty shy, pretty timid, a little unsure of kind of everything. And so now I'm working on this fantastic research project that kind of combines exercise science and psychology and just kind of all of my passions. It's great.
I was very shy, very timid, learned a lot about myself, so I'm able to apply that and just do what I want and push myself to be the best that I can be and strive for myself. Yeah, I have a lot of hopes.
My first day of clinicals was nerve-wracking. I was super scared. My first day of clinical was terrifying.
Just completely like a deer in the headlights.
Nerve-wracking.
Our first day of clinical was on maternity, and it was very shocking.
Terrifying, terrifying. I was very taken aback. I walked in and first thing I heard was a patient screaming.
Eye-opening. You are just thrown in.
I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to learn how to use all of these pieces of equipment that look so confusing.
What I love about my academic program is the faculty. They're all really inspiring people. They all work so hard, and sometimes just I don't understand how they do it all.
Amazing.
I would describe all of the exercise science and rehabilitation and movement science faculty as passionate.
When somebody's that passionate about what they're teaching, it's pretty hard not to be passionate about what you're learning.
Dedicated.
Crazy awesome.
All the professors are so welcoming and they honestly want you to do the best that you can. And they make sure that you're going to do the best that you can.
Empowering.
Always there for you.
Crazy. In a good way. In a fun way.
Inspiring.
One of my professors has a textbook. She literally wrote a textbook. She's just great. I hope that one day I'll be just like her as a nurse because she embodies all the qualities of a nurse that I would hope to be in the future.
I'm excited about my field because I have more of a passion for sports than most people I know, and I get to work in sports for the rest of my life.
I'm part of something that's going to become really big, which I really like.
One of the cool things that happened to me was I got to see an abdominal surgery, and the surgeon was really big on just students and allowing us to, ask lots of questions and everything. I'm really excited to help people. That's why I'm really excited about nursing. I was just so excited just to have that knowledge and experiencing holding a newborn baby. We're some of the first people that baby has met, It's kind of like a light bulb moment where you're like, oh my gosh, I'm actually getting this. I'm gonna be a nurse one day.
But the exercise and movement science program allowed me to get a fundamental basis in the knowledge that I would need to know, specifically exercise physiology.
I love the patient interaction. I love seeing my patients on a daily basis and helping them through whatever obstacles they have.
I got to ride along with the Burlington Fire Department in the ambulance for one of my clinical rotations. And it was really exciting to see that first response.
I'm excited just about what I've learned how to do, and I can't wait to see how much is going to change in the next few years. I think it's going to be totally different.
I'm excited about nursing because I feel like I get to go out, go to my job and make a difference in people's lives every day.
I love the fact that nursing, you're right there seeing it happen, and you can make a really big difference.
In my major, we treat people with cancer. It's a pretty emotional position, but it's
You have to think of the bright side of everything, and you're helping people, and they really appreciate it.
I'm excited about my field because there's just so many opportunities.
My advice to first-year students would be to embrace every opportunity they get, including outside the library and outside your classroom, everything.
It's okay to be nervous, but try and push those nerves into something positive.
Get as involved as possible.
Stay true to yourself.
Take a breath. It's just freshman year. Everything will be okay.
Don't be afraid to ask questions and don't get discouraged.
Find that thing you love because it makes your schoolwork so much easier.
It'll be the greatest 4 years of your life.
My advice to my fellow graduates would be take a deep breath.
Follow your heart.
Have a job that makes you happy.
Use your nursing knowledge and your passion for helping people to do as much good in the world as you can.
Do something cool. Just give back to Vermont and help people. Help everyone that you can.
Thank you, CNHS.
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 Thank you, CNHS. Thank you. Thank you.